welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica, and today I have my 19-month update for my no-buy, and this is probably going to be a pretty short video because I gotta be honest with you, this month has probably been the easiest month I think since I've started with this no-buy. I don't know if it's because it was right after Christmas. I did get a couple of things for Christmas that were makeup related, but it was two mascaras and two primers that I wanted to try, and that's it as far as makeup. Really, I didn't get a ton of stuff, and I like it that way. I really like it that way. And my collection is slowly getting smaller, and I don't know. I don't know what it is about this past month. I found it so much easier, and I'm not sure why. I'm really not sure why. It could have been the fact that I got primer and mascara for Christmas, but those aren't even like the really fun things. I don't know if it was because all the sales were over. I honestly, I don't know. I can't talk. I can't talk at all. But yeah, I feel really, really good about this month. I mean, I've been doing a lot more, like, what's experience things. Can't speak. I've been spending a lot more time, like quality time with my kids and my husband. Like earlier tonight, we went and saw Aquaman in the theater with all three of the kids. It was amazing. If you haven't seen it, you really should. But yeah, those are the types of things that we've been doing. We've gone out to eat a few times, and we're doing things more as a family, and I'm thinking less and less about buying things, and it feels really, really good. And I know a lot of people are on no buys this year. It's like 2019 is the year of the no buy or the low buy. I don't know if everyone just bought too much in 2018 and they're trying to make up for it, if everyone's trying to save money or something. I don't know what it is, but I'm glad to see so many people doing it because everyone can support each other a little bit better, and I like that. I really like that a lot. Everyone seems to be a lot more responsible with their purchases if they are on a low buy, and I think that's setting a good example for each other, and for the panning community as a whole. I really like to see how everyone is coming together. And I know people tell me all the time that my no buy has really inspired them, and I'm happy for that. But that's not why I do it. I mean, I share it with you guys hoping, that it helps anyone that is trying to, do this no buy thing, but I really did it for myself. And I think that's why I'm probably being so successful, because I am doing it for myself. I'm doing it for like the anxiety that buying so much stuff, I was buying stuff because I was anxious. And now that my collection is so much larger, the sheer volume of it is giving me anxiety as well. And I feel a lot more calm now that I'm not bringing so much stuff in and I'm actually using stuff up. And I think because I have that in the back of my mind, that it is making me feel so much better not to have all this stuff. I think that is why it is pushing me to stay on this no buy, and why I am actually being successful with it. I think if you have the right mindset, that it can be very successful. I know not everyone is going to succeed this year that is trying to do a year-long no-buy, but I will tell you, in the beginning it is harder and it will get easier. And if you are truly determined to do it, I think you can do it. If you go into it feeling like you're going to fail, you're probably going to fail. I hope you don't. I hope you don't think that you're going to fail, because I believe that each and every one of us has the willpower, if we tap into it, to be successful with this no buy. And I'm here to support you guys. This journey started out for me, but it has really quickly become about the community as a whole, and I am very happy to share that with you guys. And if you guys ever need any support, just ask. Just ask. If you need to be talked out of buying something, put a comment down there and let me know. I am very happy to support you guys. If you have any questions about my no-buy, I try to be an open book about it. So, you know, don't hesitate to ask. I really want to turn this into like a positive experience, not just for myself, but for everyone else. So yeah, this video, it's kind of odd to me that I have made it 19 months. I mean, I wasn't sure I was going to make it a year, and then last month when I made it to a year and a half, and now I'm over that year and a half point. And I know that unless something drastic changes, I'm going to make it to that 2-year mark. And I have to decide after that what I'm going to do. I still don't know if I'm going to go to a low buy, if I'm going to continue on my no buy. I honestly don't know how that is going to work. Right now I'm only on my replacements as I use things up that I don't have a something else that will do that same job in my collection. And I do want to share my one replacement with you. I technically bought this in December, and I actually got it the day after my 18-month, and it is not very exciting. To me it is, because I've wanted one that works for a while, but this is it. This is my replacement. I think I got it for $2.52 at Walmart. It is the NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk, and it is replacing my NYC white eyeliner that I used up last year, and it didn't really function as a white eyeliner, but I couldn't really buy anything when I was on my no-buy. I hope you guys understand what I'm saying. This one still has the plastic on it. I haven't even used it yet. I didn't want to use it until I showed it here on my replacement haul, but I've seen a lot of people recommend this on their channels, and I really wanted to try it because I want to use it on my waterline to make my eyes look a little bit larger sometimes, especially like tonight when I'm really tired. My eyes seem to like look a lot smaller, so I am hoping that that will function for me. I've heard that it's a lot creamier, and that's what I'm hoping for. So yeah, I think that is it for this video. It actually was a lot longer than I initially intended because I rambled. I'm tired, and I rambled. That's my story, and I'm sticking to it. Lips, a lot of people are going to ask. I have a clear gloss on, and then I put, I know this is kind of crazy, the e.l.f. Transformer palette. I actually put the blue eyeshadow over top of it. So that is this one right here. It doesn't even look that blue until you get it on, and it actually almost looks like a blue purple. Yeah, I wanted to do something different. I just wanted to jazz it up. So yeah, I've been trying to remember to tell you guys what I have on my lips, because I get asked all the time, and then by the time I get a chance to comment back or reply to comments, I forget. So I've been trying to be good about telling you what is on these lips. All right, I am going to wrap it up because I'm tired. I want to go to bed. I want to take this face off and go to bed and, you know, just kind of chill. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you on my next video, have a beautiful day.